NGM-3.2 rail width grinding machine is special destined for all kinds of rail profile, equipped with a petrol engine as the power source, which makes it easier for workers to operate. This is an ideal rail grinder for grinding rail waste and rail bottom in railway maintenance, and can be used for all filament welding and flash bed welding joint. This machine powered by an internal combustion engine. The gearbox transmits power to the main shaft through a clutch to drive rotation, which is then transmitted to the grinding wheel for grinding operations. Internal combustion engine type, gasoline engine. Maximum output power, true, known for coil, draw arm version power. Grinding wheel spindle speed, 4,000 per minute. Grinding wheel specification, determined by position. Wheel diameter to 245 mm. Grinding wheel thickness, 25 mm.